In this kit comes 2 fuse holders mounted to this bracket. If you get the single amp kit, it comes with 1 fuse holder mounted to the bracket. For this installation, we are only going to need 1 of these fuse holders. If you pop the tops off, they have Torx that they use to screw them into place. It's kind of a T Spec thing, is that they use Torx screws. We're using the white power wire for this, so we'll remove the red one. That'll give us an opportunity to look a little closer at this fuse holder. T Spec, they use Torx screws. They're not an Allen screw. It's one of the things I like about the T Spec product. Also, the screw itself doesn't have a flat end on it. It has a ball end on it. So when it's compressing the wire in my opinion, it does a much better job of not pulling and ripping the wire. It pushes it in nice. When we've removed the wire, it actually looks really good. There is rubber grommets on either end to keep moisture out of the fuse holder, and then the top snaps into place, creates a nice seal all the way around it. It's a really nice, simple fuse holder to use in an installation like this. Even though we're not going to be using the other fuse holder, I don't want to leave these 2 screws out of here. One day we may add in another amp, who knows, or they may want to add in something to this mount because it's a Jeep, and let's be honest, people love adding stuff into Jeeps. So I'll leave these 2 screws in place. Now I can get this over to Fernando and he can get it bolted into place. The fuse holder is attached in place. One of the things we add is foam underneath these 2 metal pieces here, simply because metal on metal obviously could get some scratches or something like that as time goes on if they're going to take it out at some point. Plus we don't want it to vibrate or anything. I know it's a Jeep, there's plenty of things in here to vibrate, so we don't want one more thing. Wire comes in, wire goes out, attaches over here to the battery, looking all sexy. And there again, that spot here, if he ever wants to add anything else to it later down the road, he can.